Hey there, I'm Shannon, and it is like day 7,047,000,047 of quarantine. I've been doing nothing for so long now, and I am officially laid off from my job. So, you know what that means. It's time to fuck up shit with my hair. Everyone I know right now is doing something with their hair just out of boredom or wanting to reinvent themselves, and I promised myself I would not be cutting my hair, I would not be bleaching my hair, so I had to figure something else out. My hair is really long, the longest it's probably ever been in my life, and it could use some sprucing up for sure. It's a little dead, a little dry on the ends, and the blue, I'm just not really feeling it anymore. I checked in my giant box full of products. I have products under my sink, in boxes, in a storage unit. I have so many products that I probably never have to buy hair color ever again, and I found some stuff. This is a platinum protein color filler. Platinum protein color filler. And essentially, from what I understand about color fillers, is you usually put it in your hair to fill the pores before you dye it. I'm curious to see though, because this one, although it says platinum, it's violently purple. I'm curious to see if I just put this in my hair, if my hair will go purple, since it's so porous. So give me one moment. I'm gonna hop in the shower, get my hair wet, towel dry it, and come right back to you. Alright, so I just got in a quick shower, rinsed off for a couple seconds, and my hair is pretty wet. It's pretty damp. It's ready to be applied. I thought I'd just tell you, like, before I do this, that my long-term goal, the reason, like, we're going kind of purple today, my long-term goal is to go back my natural blonde color, and I feel like this is, in a very long series of steps, purple would be the next closest step, maybe. I actually like the golden color in my natural blonde hair, so I'm gonna do my best to avoid my roots with this. I really have no idea how effective this is going to be, so better safe than sorry, and this stuff does not want to come out. This doesn't look like it did very much, actually, color-wise. I was hoping for a little more. It just looks like it kind of deepened my blue a little bit. I have a little more product, so I'm just gonna comb through my hair, make sure everything's saturated, rub the rest in, and then I'm gonna leave this in for like 15-20 minutes just to, like, in case the protein filler part works. Which, maybe it does, it probably does, I don't know why I would say in case. Hey guys, I'm back, and I took the protein filler out, and color-wise it did absolutely nothing. Texture-wise though, my hair feels very different. I pulled a couple pieces of hair out that just like fell out in the shower, and the elasticity was insane. Like, I could pull it so much farther than usual, and my hair feels like synthetic wig hair almost. Like, it's an interesting texture. It doesn't look good because I blew it out really shitty, but we'll see. So in the effort of going purple, I think, and I'm just guessing, we're experimenting, I'm thinking that if I add pink to my blue, that will make purple, essentially. So I have, this is actually Manic Panic's Hot Hot Pink that I, at one point in my life, diluted very, very light to this light pink color, and then this is Directions Carnation Pink. I'm gonna mix these together, maybe add some more conditioner, and we'll see what color that is before I put it in. Alright, this is approximately the color I was going for, so I think I'm just gonna jump right in and start applying. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I am back with the results. So I just wanted to let you know before we take a look at everything that last night I did end up going over my hair with another round of the pink, just a slightly darker pink. I'll show you the color that I mixed right there. Just because it was still a little too blue and I wasn't happy with the vibrancy of the purple. So I did the pink one more time and it came out absolutely perfect. I love it. I'm super excited. It even left some cute little like pink spots at the roots, like in the front, which I love. I wasn't intending on that, but I like it anyway, so yay. In terms of the protein filler, I don't know if it was just from dyeing my hair 2 or 3 times yesterday with like conditioning dyes or the actual protein filler, but this is the softest my hair has felt in weeks/months. I'm gonna credit it to the protein filler because this truly is like a massive difference and I'm really stoked about it. I had no idea what was gonna happen with this video because it really was just an experiment. I was bored and I hope if you were bored that this filled some time for you. I love you guys a lot and I will see you in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!